E-learning platforms, look out. ONPASSIVE is venturing into your territory. ONPASSIVE is releasing the crème de la crème of e-learning platforms. The name is O-Cademy. Remember the name O-Cademy, because you will have O-Cademy as a competitor in your space. ONPASSIVE is a high-tech giant, featuring products built for what educators, your users, have been looking for, something better than they have presently. O-Cademy is that platform. Educators now have an e-learning platform that will increase the effectiveness and learning for their students. O-Cademy is a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence-driven marvel of technology that is simply the best. Educators will be totally amazed at O-Cademy's approach to higher learning. O-Cademy will reward underpaid and highly appreciated and needed educators. Educators form a critical part of any society. Without them, we suffer. Our children are impacted negatively if we don't have educators. ONPASSIVE gives educators something that will accentuate the talents they have. O-Cademy makes your lives easier and safer when you work. Instead of working like you're in a closet, O-Cademy broadens your horizons. It would be like working in an arena, not a closet. ONPASSIVE will open for business very soon. And O-Cademy will be a significant part of ONPASSIVE. Using O-Cademy is like falling in love. You will love it. The whole world would be your workspace. You control who you want to be in your classes, no matter where they live. You control your career. No more answering to any boss. You are the boss. No more bad weather days. Remember, you will be in the cushy confines of your homes. No unruly students will cause you many headaches. No more working in high crime areas, and having school police patrolling those schools. O-Cademy will make your work much more productive. That will make your lives better. No more conflicts with other educators and students, and no more bad cafeteria food, and other negatives, relating to in-person schooling. These are just some of the benefits educators will have, when they embrace O-Cademy. Students will have the best education on earth to mold them now and in the future. Affordable higher education is not an oxymoron with O-Cademy. Students' debt will be reduced drastically. Educators determine the curriculum and costs for each student. Educators will be royally treated by O-Cademy. Educators will retire when they want to, not be forced to retire. O-Cademy will restore the feeling that educators had when they graduated from their universities of higher learning. O-Cademy makes that feeling return. O-Cademy to the rescue. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, for creating ONPASSIVE and O-Cademy. Educators are in it to win it.